Today we'll be making halal galaxy brownie, chocolate brownie mix, and it is really tasty. And the chocolate is halal. Everything inside it is halal. And today I have my brother as well too, and also and also we have galaxy halal galaxy. And first we're gonna start. We're gonna butter the pan that we're gonna be using to put the brownies in. So there we go. Brownie. We've now finished buttering the pan. We're not going to put it aside so we have more. So this is the mixture we'll be using to make the brownies, double brownie chocolate brownies. Is galaxy, and all you need to do is all the things inside it. You just need to add egg, oil, and water. So we have the egg, the oil, and of course some spring water as to be a little bit of nutritious. So here we go. And whoever's a fan of a halal fan galaxy, please watch this and get. And I haven't tasted it before, but all I know, I think it smells nice because I can't really smell right now. And be careful because there could, if you do it too fast, it could. So first we're gonna. So first we're gonna mix this thing, and you have to preheat the oven to 190 Celsius and 170 Celsius fan. That's not fan. So we have to empty the brownie mix into the bowl that we just did, and add the egg to the mixture. So we have to add 1 large egg to the mixture. So we've done the egg and oil. We have to add oil, 60 ml. Oil or vegetable oil, 90 ml of vegetable oil, also known as 6 tablespoons of oil. So we have now poured the halal oil, and now we're going to add the halal cold water. That is 4 tablespoons to be exact, also known as 4 tablespoons, and also known as 60 ml. Of water, cold water, exact, but we're just using no more. It's spring halal water. I don't know about yours, but use spring water. It's for the best, very healthy for everyone. Anyway, we're gonna mix it, and now when you did it, you have to mix it very professionally well. As now you can see, it's lovely gooey mixture. And have you all noticed that there's some chocolate chips inside the thing? Show it. There's the chocolate chips. So now we're finished smoothie, mixing the mix, and now we're going to have to spread the brownie mixture into a greased rectangle tin. As we saw later in the video, we saw that we actually greased the tin before we even started. So that's a bit of preempting of why the mix and then going all that. So now we have finished, and well, not really finished. Well, we're gonna get back. So now it's all done. It's all spread grease evenly around the table. Here you go. Some chocolate chips has been found, and now we have to bake in the center of the oven for approximately, let's say, 18 minutes, or if it's not ready, or for 20 minutes for a less gooey texture. I say, allowed to cool in the tin. Cut it, and when you finish, allowed to cool it into the tin and cut into squares. And I'll show you the finishing bits. Bye. Oh look, here's the sound. So that means the brownie is ready, and let's ready. So here is it. Here's the galaxy brownie. Looks so beautiful, shiny, bursting with